Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you for all that you do for all of us.
Healthcare workers,
first responders,
sanitation teams,
Restaurant workers,
grocery store clerks,
delivery carriers,
caregivers,
utility workers,
waste collectors,
warehouse workers,
generous neighbors,
heroes and helpers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
everybody who's serving us. This is a time where we really appreciate you.
We're thinking about you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks again, and keep up the great work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay safe, everyone in Pittsburgh.
We certainly appreciate you. Thank you.
love.
love.
Love from Pittsburgh, from Piatt Sotheby's International Realty and the Piatt family.